Meaning of engulf.
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 Engulf. Engulf means to completely surround or cover something or someone. It describes a situation where an object or person is immersed in a substance or engulfed by a larger entity. The result of being engulfed can range from the object being completely hidden from view to being destroyed or consumed by the surrounding substance. For example, a building can be engulfed by flames during a fire, a person can be engulfed by a crowd at a concert, or a ship can be engulfed by a massive wave during a storm.